Hey, how's it going? Happy Friday. Getting set up here. We're going to finish off with some Dunder methods today and a few other items from Python Basics. Good to see you, RUX 1000 or 10,000. I always mix it up. Got to add an extra 0 on there. Good to see you. Happy to have you here. We're going to get things going. Happy Friday. All right. Okay. I was always kind of wondering, I was thinking this morning, we've got the subtitles here. What happens when I make weird, I should have probably done this off stream. It's just make weird sound effects. Like, what does it do when I say, wow, 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 wow? Oh, wow, okay. Like, remember. Okay. I just had to check that really quick. I was curious about it. I just remembered. All right, what we did. Hey, good morning. How's it going? Good morning, Stephen. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Lix. How's it going there? Happy Friday. Good to see ya. Experimenting is the best thing, bro. I know, isn't it? Because you get the chance to make a mistake or fail or find something brand new and exciting. Hey there, say rough twice. Rough. rough. It's doing rough. It's like, are you saying like rough dice? I tried. Hey, Quantify Quantum. Good to see ya. Happy Friday. We're going to get things going here. We didn't finish this part right here. I messed this part up right here on Friday, and I feel like I need to redeem myself. Same here, bro. Nice. Good to hear. It is a good day today. I'm actually really excited. We got ate all the vegetables. Excited for today? Oh, today's meme, bro. Are you? Nice. We'll have time today. I've got meetings are set up in a way that we don't have to rush through the memes at the end of the day. We won't have to rush today. So I want to do 2 Dunder methods. I want to make sure to get the add correct, and then I want to get the whatever this matrix multiplication Dunder method is. If we can get those 2, I'll be very happy. I know Dunder methods are actually pretty straightforward for the most part, even though they're weird looking. You got the double underscore. It's really quad underscore. You know what? I figured it should have only taken 1 stream, but you know what? It's probably going to take this other stream as well. Today, Friday, we'll make it. Also, just if you guys noticed, hey, great bowl, more learning, more fun, yep, and more memes. Here we go. Thank you, RUX 10,000. This is because of you. Because of you, we're doing this. So thank you. Hi, buddy. How's it going there, Goku? Good to see you. Happy Friday. We're gonna get this. We're gonna fix this right here. I'm gonna fix this. Also, we might, you guys. I was just looking at the numbers. I pulled this up. We might hit 10,000. I was really excited about that. We might hit 10,000. Always a pleasure, bro. Nice, thank you. How's it going there, Joshua? Good to see you. Welcome in and happy Friday. Happy Friday, you guys. Let's see if we can figure this out. All right, so I know, what is this called? This is called our QQ class. So we need to make a new QQ class. That's what we got to do. We need to make a new QQ class and we need to return it. So what we can do is, I think what we can do is concat QQ. All right. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Thank you for the reactions. The party poppers were so close. I know. Hey, Sophia. Good to see you. Welcome on. Hello. Good to see you there. And we also have saying hello. You're saying hello. Great to see you. Thank you for the party poppers, you guys. Equals QQ. So we're going to make a new QQ. And then we're going to set this concat QQ dot name here. Here we go. We're gonna make it happen. Equals to self dot name plus other dot name, and then we're gonna say return concat QQ, and now it should work. Now I should have redemption. I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, just kidding. What? Wait. Hold on a second. Name.qq not available. That is right there. It's right there. We'll figure it out. Sir, what is this? Oh, Sophia Dasi. You know what? Thank you for the reactions, you guys. This is Python. I know it looks weird because it's got the double underscore, the quad underscore. I know it looks weird. It's okay, though. It's okay. We're doing Python basics. Thank you for the reactions, guys. You were eager for today, Goku? Nice. Me too. I want to get this Dunder method working properly. I don't want to see any errors. Like, what's going on here? What is this? It's real. We'll figure it out. None type object has no attribute. So my QQ must not be defined. Is it? It's right here. What are you talking about? I'm looking at it's defined right here. What is the deal? All right. Lend my QQ. Wait, my QQ. Wow. We'll figure it out. We'll figure this out. It's possible that I just have some other like little problems. Def. All right, we'll figure it out. Yes, nice, excellent. Fun project idea. Write a preprocessor that lets you forego indentation in favor of using curly braces. You absolutely could do that. You could do it. I know how to do it. We could do that. That could be a lot of fun. I would probably use regex when I do. You're like, Steven, you shouldn't use regex to do something like that because it's slow. I would probably do it because I think it was a lot more fun to use regex. The preprocessor turns the code into Python code and it shows auto completion against that code. We could do it. That's a good one. That's a pretty straightforward one too. RX, bro, I have pinned your YouTube channel tab. You did? You pinned it? No way. I have a lot of pinned tabs, right? I've got a lot of pinned tabs here. I've got a few pinned tabs here, up here at the top, right? Just some common ones. And you pinned my tab. You're making me feel special, bro. The other one's thinking this sugar coating, but it's not you, bro. Believe in me, bro. All right, we believe. Sir Python is so cool, isn't it? I love it. It's great to have you guys here. I said, hello, how's it going there? Cyprenny? We say that? What are we coding? We are coding Dunder methods, and we need to get it working properly. We need to make it happen. Thank you for your actions, you guys. What commands for pushing update on GitHub from terminal? Yeah, you just got git status, right? You get add magic. There we go. Git commit, your commit message, added magic.c or .py, right? Magic.py. And you say git push origin main. Those are the most common things that you do with Git. Right there on the terminal. That's for you asking. You're asking. Thank you for your actions, you guys. The easy way is to use GH command utility. I started using Git right when it came out. When SVN and Mercurial were the alternatives. Even before Mercurial, I was using SVN, and there was one before that, and no one wanted Subversion. It was called Subversion. Who remembers Subversion? Probably no one in here. That's how old I am. You guys. You probably do not remember Subversion. Yeah, software version control. Not Mercurial. No, not Mercurial. Yeah. So then immediately switched over Git. Git has been my way, and then I don't have a GH command. I just use straight up Git commands, you guys. Thank you for your actions. I appreciate it. All right, so why is this having some weirdness here? I'm gonna get rid of that and get rid of that. Okay, let's clean that out. Let's see if we get any other problems here. Oop, nope. Let's see here. Git Python metric. Okay, so far so good. Let's see if we can say myQQ. All right, _new. Oh, I think I know what's going on. Something in here, something in these things is causing the issue. Let's comment these guys out. Let's comment those out. There we go. I think we need to figure that out. Okay. Now, maybe GH is like GitHub's sugar wrapper. I do like my sugar syntax. Don't get me wrong. I really do. I want all the sugar syntax. I really do it. So straight for Git. Okay, gotcha. Probably GH for GitHub is probably what it is. You're too old, bro. You have ever used punch cards for coding back in your days? I've never. I might have held a punch card. I've never made my own punch card. That's how old I am. Sir, you're very fast. We're making it. We're making our fast. We're making it quick. Okay, let's see. So let's see if we can my other, and let's see if we can do this real quick. All right, let's see if that works. Yes. Okay, we're back. I think what the problem was, these things were doing some overriding. That's what the problem was. They were overriding my things, and they were making issues. Hey, is that gonna work now? Hey, it is. Hey, we did the concatenation. Oh, I feel so much better. Much better now. So much better. And what I should do is I should throw this into an F string here, is what I really should do. Let's do this like this. Like that, space that, then we don't need the plus. We'll just do it like this. Make it a lot better and cleaner. So there you go. Boom. Now we got that nice little space right here, if you can see it, right here. Right there, you guys. Nice little space right there. Happy dope. Excellent. How does your website was published without AWS back in your days, bro? Well, we had colos. They're called colo data centers, right? You remember data centers? We had our own U1 racks. Do you remember those? The 1Us and the 2Us and the 4Us. Do you remember those? Power supplies, hard drives. You had a rack and stack. Print hello sir. All right, Python print, and then like that. You could probably even do a space. I'm going to do exactly your syntax, exactly like you typed. Exactly. Print hello sir. There you go. There you go, Sophia. We did it. Print hello sir. Staying single is the best decision because I hate relationships and calling baby blah. Instead, I choose to work on projects. I know. You know what? I was thinking about this. All right, so just a tangent really quick. Let's do a little tangent in terms of relationships. Because I've had them over the years. It turns out it's when you're ambitious and you drive and you spend a lot of time on just moving forward and being productive and really getting things done. You kind of spend a little bit of time not with your significant other, and that causes a problem. How's it going there, Belly Slide TV? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Friday. Print hello. We can do that. Print. I like how you did that. I like how you said print hello. Print hello. Belly Slide TV. Thank you. Welcome on in. All right. So I'm feeling so much better now that we added this right here. I was like, I know we got it right. I know we did. What was going on was I think it was this right here. I think this is our problem right here. I think that was it right there. Let's see. Is that the error? Yep, that is. Right here is the problem. Right there's the problem. Belly Slide TV, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. You're joining the right software engineering channel. Please cause... Wait, cow say. What is cow say? I know you can have regular say, right? You could say cow say, right? And you know about that. Have you heard about this command?
Cow say.
Yeah.
Cow say. Cow say.
You can do that. We can have our terminal talk to you all day long. We can say, hello, quantified quantum. I'm going to see if that works. I'm pretty sure it will.
Hello, quantified quantum.
Hey, there we go. Hey, we got some text-to-speech there. Yeah, a little text-to-speech built right in. Far less than a few. We got some Python. Got the snake emoji. Thank you. Did you end up finishing the web server the other day? We did. We got pretty close. There's some problems. We didn't read from the socket. We just wrote to it. Did you know you could do that? We probably should have read from the socket, the file descriptor, but we're just like, nope. We just like left the buffer in the kernel in kernel space, and we did not consume it into user space. So obviously it wasn't a complete web server. We didn't complete it. But you know what? You could just straight up write immediately. You could just write right out. Import cow say. Wait, is that a thing? You can do that? I don't think I have that module. Import cow say. See, I don't have that module. It is not found. Module not found. We would have to probably install it. What? Hey, are we live? Right? But when you are talking on the screen, I can see the subtitles. So how did you do that? Like auto subtitles. All right. Here's your answer. And let's see. Let's see. To OBS sub. Here we go. Perfect. All right. It's in our Discord. I wrote this software 8 years ago that's currently operating these subtitles that you see right here on the screen. I wrote it and it's open source. You can have it too if you want. You can have it too. That's available for you for free forever. What you thinking of making your own Jarvis with Python? We could make our own Jarvis, right? We absolutely could. Say we can be Jarvis for you. Yeah.
We can be Jarvis for you.
Mm-hmm. We could be Jarvis for you. We could make one, right? And we could have it say whatever we want it to say. How's it going there, Easy? Good to see you, Easy. Welcome on in. So pip install Conway. Yeah, I know, right? Far less than a few. We could. All right, fine. Pip install cow say. We could. There you go. It's installed. Now we could do this, right? Now we can import cow say. And then we say, what do you say? Cowsay.cow. You say hello world exclamation point. Let's see what that works. I didn't know. I've never seen that before. How's it going there, Awulu? Thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Glad guys you have you here. You know what? This is really neat. We're getting close. We're getting close to 10,000. Will we make it today? Yeah, I don't know. We're going to find out. This will be neat if we get there. I will really be excited. I'll be so excited. Let's see here. All right, so okay, let me get over Python heart cow. Yeah, you got the Python heart cow. So we should do that. We should say a snake. We should do a snake symbol, snake, and then we do a heart symbol, and then we could do the cow symbol as well. We got the cow symbol there. Hey, Pulp Miner, thank you for subscribing. Add it to our list. We're almost at 10,000. I'm pretty excited about it. It's like the one thing I think we can get. Where's the cow at? I have to type in cow. Here we go. Cow moo. Cow say cow. Cow say cow right here. Love that. Python right here. Isn't that neat? I like this. I like that. That's a pretty neat. That's a neat thing. Is it useful? Who's to say? What is this? Are you programmer? Cool. Yeah, we are programmer, software engineering. All right. For those of you who are here, you don't know, Plump Miner and Santi Rocks. Good to see it. Let's do Rust now. Rust. I'm a Rust. I love Rust. Rust is my favorite language, you guys. Rust is my favorite language. So, those who are just joining in, my name is Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We have raised 134 million. We have over 1 billion devices on our network, and I have 68 patent claims that have been granted for my technology, cloud infrastructure messaging. That's my patents. You can see them. They're all on my profile. You'll find them around here. They're around here somewhere. Where are they? They're project patent. Here we go. Here they are. They're real patents. They're public. They're public. You can see them. They're public, you guys. Maybe useful for debugging. It could be far less than a few. It could be, you know what? It makes me happy. So we need to treat happiness and even entertainment as a good in service. I think it absolutely counts. Do you have tips to be a good programmer? Yes, I'll be happy to let you know. I'll tell you, because we've been doing this for multiple decades now. I'll be more than happy to tell you what worked for me. I'll be happy to tell you what worked for me. Question maybe, why do sometimes use underscore before and after names? I'm a third year CS student. Hey, Yannick, if you're still here, I've got your answer. It's because they just decided it. There's no good reason. In fact, it is my least favorite thing about Python. Why? What? Why? They could have just done this. There's literally the software engineer who built this, right? Who made Python, just decided to have double underscores on either side of the words that are reserved. There's no good reason for it, right? These 4 underscores are just obnoxious. Now, I don't like it. That's like the least. It's also like the most worst thing about Python, in my opinion. It's the most worst thing. So, have you seen Tim Berners-Lee, or the other legend in computer science universe? I've heard. Yep, I know of Tim. Hey Goku, I know of Tim Berners-Lee. I've not met Tim Berners-Lee. Been around long enough to know about Tim Berners-Lee. I'm so confused with those underscores. Me too. It's just something you just have to deal with it. One language has to have that one thing that's the least entertaining thing in the language. It just happens to be the undumbered underscores. The interesting part is, though, they're very powerful. They're really powerful because you can do things like this. You can create a class and then you can overload operators, right? You can overload operators. And the next one I want to overload is the matrix multiplication operator. That's what we're going to do. Thanks, love Python, but never understood the underscores. They're really powerful, and they're really not pretty. They do not meet the qualifications for aesthetic appeal for a programming language. Python is still my daily driver though. Rust, JavaScript, love those. Those are great languages. C#, love it. Golang, great, love Golang. The thing is, the underscores just to start means private protected methods in Python. Yep, they're reserved words. Instead of polluting the public namespace for end users, they chose to allow a user to define anything they wanted without mostly polluting the public namespace. However, there's still things like map. There's still things like sum, right? There's iter, right? What other keywords are there? And so is new's not one, right? New's not one. You've got these they've already polluted the namespace. So why not? Right? What? Right? There's also reduce, right? Is that one? Nope. Reduce, not reduce. I guess they didn't do reduce because there's list comprehension, you guys. You don't need to pollute the namespace if your syntax already has everything built in, which I think is one of my favorite things about Python. I really like it. I like it. Hey, MMIP7 Roth, how's it going there? Good to see ya. Is this ACI style art? Oh, ASCII. It's ASCII art. Yes, it is because Cowsay. Because Cowsay is it, right? That's because Cowsay. So let's see here. So ASCII style art. So RUX 10,000, right? So you can have the cow say RUX 10,000, right? That. You need RUX 10,000 right there. My company is changing titles for lead architect and principal to staff. Ooh, really? Does your company use staff software developer? I should know that. I really know. I should know that. We use whatever titles that come about. I don't think there's not, if we do use staff, only 1 or 2 people have it. What's your favorite language? I would say Rust from a business perspective. Rust provides you the best programmer developer experience possible. From a happiness perspective, when you deploy your code to production, you want to make sure it's stable. Rust gives you the best opportunity for that. So there's a big win right there. Concurrency safety, memory safety. I love it. It's my favorite. Then you go into the how powerful and performant it is. And from a business perspective, that's what I want. I want fast, efficient, powerful, and then I can give the best possible prices to my customers. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Hey, bro, tell me, how can I become a top 1% developer in the world? Love to solve real-life problems. AI is a good one. PyTorch, write your own AI framework. Get into Rust, get into Python, do some C, low-level engineering. I mean, I'm just telling you what I did. I don't know if I count as a top 1%. I don't know. I mean, you guys tell me what really counts. If just having a comfort and level of expertise where you can just wrap out code, I think is a good place. However, does it matter anymore with AI being able to write all that code for you? Doesn't matter. How's it going there? Deepa, how's it going? Hey, how are you doing live subtitles? Oh, how are we doing the live subtitles? Yeah, check this out. I wrote this software 8 years ago. It's available to you. Just Google for Twitch TV OBS subtitles. Actually, it is for YouTube as well. I'm here for YouTube. So just to let you know, YouTube. It's all about YouTube, you guys, for me. I study Core to CompTIA. That is a good way to start as well. You could do that. Wow, bro. I know, isn't that neat? RUX, I think it's pretty neat. How's it going there? Samuel, hey, do you need someone to design thumbnails? I'm looking for work to raise capital for my trading account. Hey, well, here is the deal. I might be ready, and I might want to start looking for a video editor at this point. I am, however, just full upfront about it. I already have an AI editor that I wrote myself, my own AI agent that automatically edits all my videos for me. It's all automatic. It's all automatic. I just go boop, 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 and it spins for, a little while it runs FFmpeg to process and chunk out the videos. Create crypto wallet cracker. Now you've got a business there, Jason Easter. You've got a business there, Jason Easter. So maybe I, at some point, would be interested in the video editor. Well, I'll let you know. Not quite yet, but I'm thinking about it. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Doesn't matter anymore as AI is getting good. I know, right? Doesn't matter. Please continue on that part. It will, right? Hello, right? Doesn't matter. Does it even matter? I think it does. I think it does a little bit. You should still have the capability to understand what the AI is producing so that way you can debug it and work with it side by side. Think of it as you are working with a super senior software expert, right? And you're asking it to write code for you and you're working with them together. However, only you. Hey, Caleb Struble, thank you for subscribing. You know what, guys? This is actually kind of neat. Check this out. We're headed on our way. Whoa, check that out. We're getting close. We're getting almost to 10K. Isn't that neat? I think it's pretty neat. I think today we might make it. We might make it today, you guys. Glad to have you here. Found your videos on machine learning to be interesting. All right. Radev, thank you. I have a lot of machine learning software focused AI videos. We've done a lot over the years. You're a Flutter developer. You built fully app for client. I need clients. You need clients. I can build any app for you, both iOS and Android. Hey, Andy, that sounds great. Mobile app is huge. Please help you create. Jason Easter, what are you interested in creating? Oh, crypto wallet miner be created. Ooh, a wallet miner. Well, you could, though. Factorizing that large of a number, you can't really do it technically. You can't really do it technically. Whoa. Hey, Crowling. What are you doing over there? Hey. Oh, well, happy Friday to you too. Please subscribe. Yeah, we're making our way, you guys. Coding may or may not be dead, but designing scalable systems isn't. You got it. You're absolutely right. You're 100% right on that, right? You're right. Thank you. Thank you. Exclamation point. Party popper. We got to say the party popper, right? And then copy paste that. Party popper. Thank you. Hey, crawling. Thank you. Thank you so much. That was amazing. Happy Friday to you. I know, right? So coding isn't dead yet. Coding in the AI systems, yes, they are very good. Oh, they're very good. I use them all the time now. In order on this stream though, we will do coding by hand. We're doing coding by hand. You've got this app idea for a mobile app screen timer. Hey, nice. Okay, what do you think should I do? Build it and deploy it on the App Store. I've tried to learn non-coding tools for months. Didn't work. Please help. Well, have you tried Claude Code, Codex, or Gemini on the CLI? You should give a whole bunch of different tools a try, and you might get to know. You might get to know it. It might work for you. Hey, Deepali, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you. Hey, this is such a good Friday. So many of you guys are subscribing. This is great. It's so great. It shows what we're doing here is, a happy Friday thing. Happy Friday crawling. Hey, I'm looking to get in PLC, SCADA programming. What is that? They tend to use proprietary ladder logic. What do you recommend? I'm a wastewater plant operator. Are you really? Moped Mike? That sounds pretty interesting. I have not quite gone into that world. I don't know what that is. I would want to help you. I'm in the high-level software world where I give software away for an API. That's my business. Moped Mike, thank you for subscribing. I would, if you gave me more details, we could chat more and we could figure it out. I'd be happy to give you any advice that I have from my experience, although it might not be to do with wastewater plant operation. What is special about your timer, man? Timer? What timer? Do you mean this timer? The subscribers? What do you mean? I mean, we're getting there. We're almost to 10,000, you guys. We're almost to 10,000. It's great to have you here. Let's see. Whoa, it's lots of chat messages, guys. It's so good to have you here. So if you don't know who I am, I'm Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We have over 1 billion devices connected on my network. It's my company. It's my own company. 68 patent claims that we got granted. Been in the tech for quite a few years, you guys. For quite a few years. It's great to have you. Wait, Smiley. Hey, Smiley, thank you for subscribing. Happy Friday. Welcome on in. What we do on this channel is we write software, and we are going through Python basics right now. That's what we're doing. We're doing Python basics. But AI is doing it all. It is, isn't it, Andy? It is. It's doing it all. AI, the best AI agents in 2026. It's Jason Easter. Understood. It's okay. It takes the best. So in order to use those AI agents, I did create a dedicated presentation on it, and it is on my YouTube somewhere. You need to keep each of your prompts very simple and direct. Very simple and direct. Because if you give them large, giant brush strokes, then they go crazy. So you need to be careful. You got to be careful. Hey, Savon, good to see you. I just saw you wave there. Good to see you. Welcome on in. How can I make a reverse payload? Hey, Lolly, what? What do you mean reverse payload? What do you mean? How long you been coding? About 30 years, really. I'm old, you guys. I'm old. We need the younger generation to take over here at some point because I'm super old. Are you rich? I am comfortable, Wolfie Wolf. Wolfie Wolf, how's it going? Wolfie Wolf 420, it's good to see you. Glad to have you here. How do you make a reverse payload for Windows undetectable? Well, you can easily get around pretty much every single, antivirus software. The antivirus software, all they do is take known exploits that are in the wild, create snapshots, fingerprint the binary, and then look for that binary fingerprint on your operating system when you're executing code. However, If you write a dedicated piece of malware that only you would have written and that those agents have never seen, the security agents, right? The antivirus agents, they can't detect you. They can't detect you now because they don't have the signature. So we have 200 folks. Hey, that's great. It's great to have you guys here. Yeah. So this is my company is PubNub. We're an API provider. We do real-time communication. It's great to have you guys here. Isam Elsri, good to have you here. Welcome in. Thank you for subscribing. So great to see all you guys. Do you have any plastic surgery? Hey, Sunshine, by 2KL. Good to have you here. I'm just old. Hey, man, I'm just old. That's what your face looks like when you get old. When you get old, you guys. I'm in my 40s. Bro is a secretly hacker inside. I know. I've done some things. I have done some things in the past. But Steven, they have a capability to recognize patterns for much smaller building blocks, so I've heard. Some of them, yeah, sure. You're right. They do, Savon. You can still get around them. Yo, cool. You know PubNub, Terry. Hey, Terry, how's it going? How do you know PubNub? I'm actually getting curious about. Amazing stuff. Keep it up. Thank you. Hey, I won an internship. Okay, ClanCon. Join the Discord and send me a direct message. I'll let you know when we have any openings. If we do, Steven, could you share your terminal and Vim config? Yes, I will. It is on our Discord. Here, it's on our Discord. So where was it? On that link share here? Under link share, where is it? Did we? It's right. Link. Where did it go? Where's the link share? New links. Here it is. It's right there. That's why. Okay, so it is. Here you go. It's right here on the Discord. Right here. Hey, I want an internship. Hey, let me know. Join the Discord. I will let you know when we have any. Hey, how's it going there? Gaming industry. It's good to see you. I'm so happy you guys are here. What do you think about picking and discussing only the comments that are related to the topic being discussed now that the people are limited because discussing all might be a problem? You're right. I know. We're trying. Are antivirus software able to detect something like rootkit? Yeah, some cases, yes. Especially the most common ones. You're right, it will. So, what was it? Afamu, you bring up a good point. At some point here, we gotta be selective, right? You're absolutely right. We gotta be selective. Do you think you can build mobile app? Sure. The productivity app that tracks and limits our screen time and sends it to our parents with no coding. And if yes, what tools for free? Thanks. Gemini is a good one. So if you just gemini.google.com is a good start. Start there. I think it's one of my favorites and it's free. It's free forever. What are we building? We're going to be wrapping up Dunder methods, and then we're going to go into more. We're going to go into more here. So the plan is Dunder methods. We're going to wrap that up, and then we're going to classes and inheritance, and then maybe some operators. I think that would be a great idea. So that's what we're doing. So good to have you guys here. Happy Friday. So yeah, that's who I am. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but we're making our way up to 10,000. Oh, yeah, there's another 10 right there. We're almost to 10,000, and that's because of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, you guys. I think you should start unpaid internship. I'm serious. We can't do unpaid internships. It's illegal. At least people can gain some experience. I know, as from a government perspective, we should re-enable it. We should re-enable it. Oh, we got another subscriber. Sometimes the notifications don't show up. I don't know why. They just, it's like only 10% of them. Hey, we got another subscriber. All right. We're making our way. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there. So that's the plan for today. So let's say malware uses a system called a remove the root folder. This creates some sort of binary fingerprint. How do you work around it? I'm not a big frequenter for attacking systems, Savon. I'm not. You know me, Savon. I like to build things rather than deconstruct them. Hey, Ankit, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers, you guys. This is so cool. This is amazing. You want a rootkit? Do you want a rootkit? Whoa, Moped Mike. Hey. Programmable logic controller hardware that directly controls motors and pumps in real time. RTOS says executing tasks based on sensor inputs. The supervisory control and data acquisition. Whoa, hey, that's a thing right there, isn't that? That's a whole thing. That is amazing. Okay, Mike, you know what? Moped Mike, thank you. all I could say is thank you so much. And I will, anything I could do to help you, I will. Thank you. Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. That's so cool. I appreciate it. What you're doing there is amazing. I will try and what do you call it? I will try to reciprocate. I will, because that was $10. You just gave me $10. This is so cool. Thank you. Moped Mike, I appreciate it so much. That was amazing. That was amazing. Oh, and hey, Terry, you've been following me in 2013? No way, Terry. That is crazy. I can't believe it. You said start with Gemini for the app. The productivity app is going to make the backend too. And do I need coding? Yes, you need coding. You sure do. You sure do. For a time-based app, though, I don't know if you need it to be. I don't know if you need a backend for it. You might only need front end. Hey, Space Oddity, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Hey, Moped Mike, I'm still looking at what you got here. I'm still looking at this, and I'm like, oh my God, what are you doing? Moped Mike, that's so great. Thank you so much. Oh, we saw another subscriber. I just missed it. Who was that? Who did it? Was it Ashke? Ashke, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate it. I just saw your message there, so I'm like pulling it up here on the side over here, so I see the quick replay. The quick replay. Thank you, you guys. This is great. Happy Friday. We're going to do some Dunder methods. We're going to do some classes, some inheritance, and we're going to make our way down. I don't know about rootkit. Malicious driver software. You got it. Looks like a poo. Does it? Okay. One thing getting here. I'm curious from the protective side of things. I actually don't know specifically. I don't know. Hey, Moped Mike, feel free. Join our Discord server. Send me a direct message. We could work through it. 174 confirmed viewers. Wow. Hey, Rich New Designs, we're on our way. Hey, if you guys don't know who I am, I'm Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We raised 134 million. We're at a Series E, billion connected devices on my network. Yes, this is my company. This is my company right here. We do have open roles if you guys are interested. We got some open roles here and from software engineering. And this is my company, the market leading platform for real-time interactive apps. We've got a bunch of companies that are connected to us. If you do order delivery, right? Order delivery. If you used sharing media apps, right? Media apps, this sort of thing. Rahul, thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Multiplayer games, a whole bunch of different things. We got APIs to build those experiences. Send and receive, really simple. Really simple, Rahul. Thank you for subscribing. So we got like a nice little tour here. You click on JavaScript and you go in and then you scroll down and then you can easily send and receive messages right there. So you see I'm clicking on that link right there. I'm clicking that little button right there. Can you link the Discord, Moped Mike? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely, Moped Mike. Here you go. Just for you, Moped Mike. Hey, Moped Mike. Here you go. At Moped Mike. There you go. I just pasted it in. There you go. That's for you, Moped Mike. Just for you. It's great to have you guys here. All right. How close are we getting close? Are we getting close? Oh my goodness. It's going to happen a lot sooner than I was expecting. I was like, we're going to have to be live for a little while today. But you know what? We're less than 50. We're 55 subscribers away from it. We're one. What? Never mind. 56 now. It went down. Saw that decremented. That was funny. Sorry. All right, we'll hide that for a little bit. Maybe it'll go up in a bit. You never coded? Hey, you got Jeff. Jeff, you gotta code. I think it's the best way. Just learn to code. It's worth it. I think it's absolutely worth it. It is worth it. Please do a quick summary on Quarks. Okay, so Quarks. Let's do that. We'll do a quick summary. Hey, Terry, thank you for subscribing. Was that you, Terry DB? Terry DB, who's been with us since 2013. Terry DB, great to have you here. Thank you for subscribing. Maybe that popped us up. Hey, it did. Okay, now we're back up. All right, we're making our way, you guys. We're really close to 10,000. That's so great. Yeah, so great to have you here. All right, so Quarks. Sure, we'll do a little bit of Quarks. Let's do a little bit of Quarks here. All right, so you'll see. We'll do it at the bottom stream by Quarks. All right, so with keyword args, there's args and keyword args. So you can do this with the double star, which is sort of like the dereference, the double dereference, which it captures all of the elements, all the parameters that you pass into a function. And it turns it into essentially a dictionary. And so what you're able to do is allow a user to put in as many arguments into the function, parameters of the function as they want. So they could say, you know, create dictionary, right? Create dictionary. And then they could say one equals that, and then 2 equals 2, right? And then 4 equals 4, right? And you can do that. And when you do that, it will create a dictionary essentially as your dereference. And this is the keyword args right here. The keyword args right there, just like that. Key W, like that. So if that's Quargs, I hope that lets you know what that is. I hope you know. I hope that helped you. Yeah, it's you, Terry DB or Terry PB. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, you've been, that's amazing, since 2013. Yeah, that's a long time ago, right? BRB, y'all, back in 5 minutes. Okay, quantum sounds good. Sounds good. So I want job so I can send you DM whenever is available in front end job roll time. I'll let you know. Yeah, I'll let you know, RUX. Absolutely. It might happen sometime. It might happen. Can you explain the TDK, SDK, and DLLs are? So you've got software development kits, which is just software libraries that you can import into your existing application. DLLs, they're the same, but they're binaries. And they're compiled usually to a target operating system or architecture, right? Different CPU instructions. And a TDK, what is that? I don't know. What is a TDK? I think it's probably similar to an SDK is my guess. 50 left. Are we getting there? We're getting close. Are we getting close? Oh yeah, we're getting close. Oh my goodness, it's going so quick. We're going quick here, you guys. This is crazy. This is because of you. Hey, Krish, thank you, Krishna, for mentioning it. We're getting there. We're getting close. On our way, you guys, on our way. Thank you for the likes. What's happening here, S. Kumar? We are doing some Dunder methods. I'm going to get back into it here in a little bit. Some Dunder. Is it hard to compile a program for a trading bot? It is not. The code part's easy. Making your algorithm that is profitable, there's a little skill there. You got to have a little bit of skill here. Hello, how's it going there? How is it going, Genero? Good to see ya. There's lots of chat messages happening. So happy you guys are here. This is great. I'm very excited about some Dunder methods. All right, so there is one Dunder method I really want to do. This one right here. This one. I want to do this one right here. This one. How do we do that? I want to use the @ symbol, the matrix multiplication symbol, essentially. Everyone share this out to help the channel grow. Rich new design. Thank you. I appreciate it. Is a degree still necessary in 2026? How does someone get a chance without a degree? Also, what tech stack should someone use and choose when to be highly profitable in demand in the next 10 to 20 years? So React and Node.js are the world's most popular stack, right? So Mongo, probably MySQL, Postgres, Node, React, Express. There you go. If you want the top stack, obviously Svelte, a little bit better. Faster, cleaner, newer. I like that, right? Svelte, Vue.js as well. Now you also got mobile, right? So you could do Swift or Kotlin for mobile if you want to get into those. Then you also have security. So you could do like pen testing, things like that from a security perspective. You also go DevOps, right? Kubernetes, 12-factor, containers, disciplines all over the world, you guys. You can do everything. So much. Thank you for being here, you guys. We'll sure send you a DM after this. Okay, sounds good. I want to, after this, not disturb stream. Sounds good. Thank you. Hey, Joshua, how's it going? Where do you stream? We got YouTube, which is the top streaming here. We got YouTube. Definitely YouTube. I love YouTube. And we got LinkedIn, right? Who knew you could stream on LinkedIn? Yep, so we're on here on LinkedIn. So you can see here, you just go over here, you scroll down on my profile and see there I am right there. You're right here. Right there on LinkedIn. I like my expression there. So yep, we're on LinkedIn. Also Twitch. We're on Twitch. However, YouTube. YouTube is the answer. I like YouTube. From India. Hey, how's it going there? Motivation for you. Good to have you here. How hard to make your own compiler? Well, it's actually not too tricky because all you need to do is get an assembler and a linker underneath. And your compiler is going to write a higher level language that'll target whatever, assembly language you want. And then for whatever architecture, and then you just turn your high level English or whatever language you're looking for into assembly. And then you take your assembler to assemble it and then your linker to link it to the supervisor and the operator. 40 to go. We're getting there. We're getting close. We're getting close, you guys. Hey, we're getting there. All right. So that's 39 to go. It's happening, you guys. Thank you for subscribing. This is great. Be my mentor. Hey, code with this Dath. Absolutely. Just join our Discord. Happy to let you know any types. A decade ago, it was Angular. Hey, I remember Angular. What do you predict will happen in the next decade? Probably we'll get more Svelte in there. React is still going strong. However, hey, we got another subscriber. All right, thank you guys. Appreciate it. You know what? Probably AI. Probably AI as well. We got another one. Hey, it's popping up there. Thank you guys for subscribing. We're so close to 10,000. This is great. This is so cool. Hello, Burr. Hey, how's it going there? Godwin, good to see you. Good to see you. What tech stack do I need for that app, and how do I actually learn coding? Do I use books? I would recommend starting with maybe some basics, YouTube videos, then getting your hands on the keyboard to really get things trying out, get things going, make things happen, actually start, typing things on the keyboard, things like that. That will help you understand what things are doing, how they work, and then using a code generator like Claude Code, Codex, Gemini, maybe Grok, maybe Brock, maybe, you use something else. There's also Jules, right? Try it. It's like Google Jules, Google Jules. This right here. This is also pretty neat. If you haven't heard about Google Jules, it is probably one of the most autonomous coding agents that are available that no one's heard about, really. No one's ever talking about Jules. It is really powerful. It does a really good job. What's your opinion in mainframe and IBM Z's OS? Hey, Goku, I'm mostly Linux. I'm a mostly Linux person, so I've not really done too much mainframe. I've not been doing too much mainframe. So how's it going there? King, hello, man. What is this channel about? We are a software engineering channel. My name is Stephen Blum. I'm the CTO at PubNub here. I've been doing this in tech for 25 years. We mostly focus on software engineering by hand without the AI. Without the AI, you guys, we will code everything from scratch, for the most part. And we'll be doing PyTorch. We could do a little Keras and TensorFlow. We'll do NumPy, Pandas, data science. We could do Scikit. We could do everything. We're good to go. And that's what we do here. So it's all about coding on this channel. We'll do Rust. We'll do JavaScript. We'll do Python. We'll do PHP if you want. How's it going there? Mara. Hey, Mara, thank you for subscribing. How close are we, guys? How close are we? Oh, we got another one. All right, pop in there. Mara, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. So yeah, check out Jules. It's pretty neat. It's a pretty neat platform, you guys. Any MQL5 experience? What is MQL5? I've not heard about this. I want to look that up. MQL5. What is that? It is language of trading strategies built into MetaTrader trading. I see what you've done there. I'm not familiar with it. No, I do not know what that is. And I cannot give you advice on it because I do not know. Still working on Python. Yep, we're going to be on Python for a while because if you look here, we've got quite a few things to go. We've got so much happening here. Look at all this stuff that we have to get through. It's a giant list, so it's going to take us weeks. Google Jules, you've never heard of it? I know you check it out. It might be the thing that you're looking for. It might be the thing. Why do you code without AI? So Hinlo, if you're still here, what I do is on this channel, we code without the AI because we want to keep our skills up, right? Because you can easily atrophy, and we don't want to atrophy. We want to make sure that our skills are maintained and we have a good experience with software engineering without the AI. Then on my day-to-day, when I'm actually working, because I do work, I have to use the generative coders, and then I use the generative coders. So I do coding by hand live on the channel. Does PubNub support MCP? Yes, absolutely. We even have our own MCP server here. You see it right here at the top of the screen. PubNub MC. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. Okay, PubNub MCP server, right up there, you guys, or right over here, wherever you're looking, on the screen. Maybe teach us Bash Shell 2. We do Bash. I love Bash. I use a lot of Bash. I do so much Bash, right? For I in see, what is it? Can we do sequence? Is it 1, 2? Can we do that? Actually, I don't know. Do echo money I done. See here. Maybe we do this. Okay. And maybe we do this like this. So maybe it needs to be within parentheses. I'm gonna teach you there. Is that it? Nope. All right. Sequence. Maybe it's 1 like that. Nope. Okay. There is a sequence. I know there is. Well, that doesn't seem to be. So how about this? For I in 1, 2, and 3. Because I forgot the in operator. There you go. So there's a quick little for loop for you. A little mini for loop right there. A little mini for loop. Just a little mini bash thing there for you guys. You sometimes feel alone is not good. You want there was some senior dev who can review your code and tell you how improvements. You can use AI for that too. You can have ask AI to read your code. Ask the AI to read your code. As CTO, do you still have to review code? I do sometimes. I do. What do you do as CTO at PubNub? All right, so here, this is my company, you guys, if you're still here. My company is PubNub. I started a company a while ago now, like over a decade ago. We, on a daily basis, I do a lot of things. So I pull data, I talk to customers, I debug things, or I might work with a team to read some code, or I might write some code and deploy it. That doesn't happen very much so often anymore because the team is doing that on a day-to-day basis. So that's usually what I do. That's what I do is the MCP server providing PubNub rail time bus. Functionalities for the documentation. You got it. Savan, you got it. That's what the MCP does. Absolutely. So I'm interested in making an app, but have no idea how do I do it. Only needs to check out Google Jules. Yes, try Google Jules and ask it to build the exact app that you're looking for, and then ask it to tell you what you need to do with the code. And then you'll be good. Delinters help your code too? Yeah, delinters, that's CK. We like those delinters there. Although, are they called linters or delinters? Is there a delinter in software engineering? Is there? Hold on. I know about linters. Delinters versus linters. Software engineering. Okay, how do we do this? Is there such a thing? The term delinters and linters are likely misspellings. Okay, I figured. There's only linters. It's only linters. Delinters. SCK. You're crazy. Ask ChatGPT to tell me to go away. I know, right? Far less than a few? Yeah. That's the way to do it. It's great to have you guys here. That way, I want to learn from your channel. Sounds great. Automata. Sounds great, Automata. Good to have you here. Software engineering for real. This is for real software engineering, and I've done big mega scale, like large scale. That's where my experience is. Large scale distributed compute. That's my experience at PubNub, because we have over 1 billion devices on our network. And in order to do that, you need to have distributed compute capabilities. And I'd be very happy to tell you all the things that we do. Where are we at, you guys? Where are we at on the list here? Oh, we're making our way. We're so close. We're just a few away. What is that number? That is 33. We're 33 away. That's so cool. All right. Scikit-learn, other things. We could do Hugging Face. We could do AI, all the things. All right. Here's what I want to do. Oh, bro, please update when you are ending the stream so I can send the memes. We will be doing that in about an hour, maybe in about 60 minutes or so. So we got plenty of time, you guys. We got plenty of time. Plenty of time. A lot of time, you guys. Are you excited about the new AI hat for Raspberry Pi? This version adds 8 gigabytes more of RAM. Hey, CK, that sounds pretty exciting. I could be excited about it at the same time not get it, right? I could be excited for it, and I probably won't get it, but I could still be excited for it. Have you distributed programming sessions live? Would be amazing. We could, absolutely. It's all about communication, network protocols, and making sure that everything fits together in the right spot. 60 minutes noted down. Nice. Thank you. Scraping data to train models as CTO. You think it's legal or not? It's legal. It's perfectly legal. There's no laws that prevent you from taking data. There's not. The only thing is, if you resell copywritten materials, then you're entering into problem zone there, right? All right, you're back. Hey, Quantify Con, good to see you. Well, I didn't know because someone does this and streams. Respect, bro. I always videos or Python are crazy. Hey, Tiny. Thank you for mentioning it. Yeah, we just started doing this several months ago, and it just started growing. And so we're like, hey, okay, we'll just make this a daily thing every Monday through Friday in the morning about. ESP32 is good for C-Learning too. Yeah, they're dirt cheap here. Far less than a few, you got it. ESP32, it's a great choice. Hey, Crow Engineer, good to see you. Also curious about learning scaling projects from a couple hundred to a million API calls a day. We could show you how. I know how to do it. Actually, you know what? I'll just give you the answer. Rust in Tokyo. There you go. Rust in Tokyo. I'll be here. Nice. Tiny Cracker. Sounds good. Tiny Crackler. ESP8266 as well. Nice. How much Python should a newbie know and land an entry-level job? Well, this list is supposed to be the basics. So everything we're doing right now is supposed to be the basics. That's what we're doing. That's like 5 USD here. Oh, wow. That's a lot. We can learn this, bro. I want to be a developer, please. All right, Stanley, let's do it. Let's be a developer. Let's do it. Good questions. Good questions, you guys. All right, let's get into it. All right, the one thing I want to do really badly is I want the Dunder method for matrix multiplication in Python. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Dunder method. I want this. Okay, so it's called matmul. All right, I think I should be able to figure this out. Self and other. Perfect. All right, let's do it. Let's do the matmul. This is the one I wanted to do. This is the ultimate one right here. I just really wanted to do this. All right, so I think if we do new, hold on. I think we could say return self. Can we do that? Is that still going to cause a problem? Python magic. There we go. Let's see. Python magic. Hey, Souls. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome in and happy Friday. We're going to hang out today and do some Python. All right. Perfect. All right. Let's see here. Where's that at? Here we go. Delete that. We were doing some coding there. Okay. So that still causes a problem. Apparently, this new is a problem. Hey, Souls. So glad to have you guys here. All right. Let's get rid of that. That is all much more happy now. There we go. Comment those out. Perfect. Now it's going to run. Excellent. Here we go. Matmulp. Def, matmulp, self, and then the other. We'll get the other, you guys. And then we need to, right? We got to do something there. Hey, Moped Mike, thank you for another $1.99. Sent you a Discord DM. Thank you very much and no rush. Cheers. Well, thank you, Moped Mike. Absolutely. We will get together. I will chat. That sounds great. Thank you so much. Thank you, Moped Mike. Here, let's do that. So at Moped Mike. Thank you. Explanation point and spell it correctly with an H. And then we go over here, do party poppers. Party popper. Boom. Thank you again, Moped Mike. That's great. We'll on Discord, on the Discord, you guys. Absolutely. How relevant is data structures and algorithms leak code to get into companies like PubNub? DSA is only very minimally important. Why? Because all the libraries have already been written. You don't need to rewrite them. You still do need to kind of make a decision on what to choose, when, and where. It's usually a hash map. There you go. That's the answer. It's usually a hash map. Sometimes an array, but usually a hash map. There you go. That's the answer. So what's the point of all the other DSAs? I don't know. You don't need to use them. You don't. It just does not happen very often. It does not happen. Hey, bro, just sent you a resume on Discord. Thank you. Check it out. I'm looking for some feedback. Sounds great. We'll check it out here in a bit. Shout out to all the programmers for looking out for people like myself and trying to learn. Nice. Tiny Crackler. Tiny Crackler, you know it. How Python notebook file works. Oh, it's the Py notebook, right? I'm struggling to tell the difference between .py and Python notebook. Well, it's you import the Python notebook into like Jupyter notebooks or a Py notebook, right? That gives you the ability to execute blocks of code one at a time using a GUI. So it's easy for R&D. I would use a Python notebook for R&D. Do not use a Python notebook ever for production quality code. Just don't do it. It's not easy to maintain or manage. You need to do just regular Python files at that point. Regular Python file. Delete C/Y. Yep. Delete tree. You got to delete every file in the C drive. Hey, can I develop a website in Python? Yes. You can, Stanley. There is a way to do it. See, Python WASM. I think so. Let's see if there is. Is there a Python WASM? Python support WebAssembly. Wait, Python 2 client side in the browser. Wait, it's called PyDiode. PyDid. Wait, how do you say that? Pyodide. Pyodide. All right, Pyodide. There you go. So if you want to write a website in Python, you use Pyodide, apparently. Apparently, I've never done it. That's one way to go about it, though. That's one way to go about it. See, let's see here. Return self. Let me just do that really quick. I want to make sure that this is looking good here. All right. We're going to make sure that it's looking good there. So we can now use the matrix multiplication symbol that I wanted to use for so long. You just need to know what to use, and usually it's a very performance hash table. That's it. Exactly, Savon. You just need to know what to use and when. It's usually a hash table, right? Thanks for your answers and data structures. Yep, you're welcome. Saved me a lot of time. I'm working on basics applications. I'm doing data science. Data science. I love it. That's my favorite thing you're talking right now. Data science. I love it. It's my favorite thing. And especially because we've got petabytes of data at my company because we transmit trillions of interactions on the internet right now. Trillions. And we need to do some pretty interesting data science in order to maintain stuff like that. Trillions of guys. All right, let's check. Thank you for all the hearts, you guys. Where are we at? Are we getting close? We're getting closer. We got 29 to go. Is that right? Did I say that right? 29? Am I doing math properly? Does that say 29? We're only 29 away. We're making our way, you guys. That's because of you. Thank you. Thank you. Steven, Python Flask. Yep, Python Flask is a good one. Also, check out Fast API. RUX 10,000. Check out Fast API as well. It's called Fast API. So at RUX Fast API. Check that out as well. Pyrite. Hey, Pyrite. Yeah, there's also Pyrite. We could do that as well. We could do Pyrite. Very nice. Is generics exist in Python? There is generics in Python in the later versions. I believe 3.13 or 3.12 introduced generics. If you want to use them, though I don't wanna. I don't wanna. Tiny Rick. Hey, like it's the show, bro. It is. It's Tiny Rick, right? Tiny Rick. Okay, Tiny Rick, not Tiny Rickler. All right, Tiny Rick. Okay, gotcha, Tiny Rick. All right, we'll do Tiny Rick, not Tiny Crackler. Got to read your name properly there. And I can do method overloading too. Can you? Can you do method overloading? Yes. Well, from a classical inheritance perspective, yes. Though I don't know if you can double def. I don't think you can def one and then say pass, right? And then I don't think you can say def one again. I think that causes an error. I think this will be a problem. Even if you put some extra stuff in here, right? I think this is a problem. Let's see, right? Let's double check it. Apparently not. Apparently not. What? If you want to double define a function and have it override the other ones, apparently you can do that. Be careful. Python will let you. Be careful. Is software development still high in demand? Inflatable hippo? Well, it is, and it's going to get even more in demand. What is it? The bare minimum expectation is 15% growth per year. That's the bare minimum. Fast API literally saved you 2 months. Nice. A mid-sized project. Quantified Quantum. It's a good one, isn't it? It's a good one. Did he say my company name? Did I? Do you guys need a junior programmer or some? Well, we do need engineers. So let me show you this. All right. So my name's Stephen Blum, CTO at PubNub. We've done a lot of stuff. 68 patents, a billion devices. Where are we at here? So we do have a careers page. Where is that at here? Careers page. You're at the bottom. Go to careers, and then we have some openings here at the very bottom of the page. Here you go. So we got some options here. So you see a list. You see the list right here. Are you multi-streaming? Hey, Jay Luna, yes. Multi-streaming. We're multi-streaming on LinkedIn and Twitch. But I'm here for you guys. Hey, James Ojo. Thank you for subscribing. Welcome on in. Good to see you. You're in the right place for software engineering. If you're joining this channel for software engineering, that's what we do. Right now, we're doing Dunder methods. We just added the map mult, and I really want to do this. I really want to do a map mult. I've been wanting to do this since it was Quantified Quantum told me about it. I've been wanting to do this. So here we go. Let's try it. My QQ at my QQ equals. All right. So what is it? Mult QQ equals multed. All right, multed QQ. That will work, and it will do nothing right now. Hey, there it goes. I added my own @ symbol. It's so good right there. Look at that. My own @ symbol. YouTube too. Yep, you got it. YouTube. We're on the YouTube. Do you think that a 17-year-old OPD can make that app? Yes. There are people younger than you who are already deploying apps into production and on the App Store right now. So you can do it too. There's nothing holding you up. Hey, what's up? How's it going there? It's hacking. Good to see ya. Can you do our language series next? Adam, that is one, like Python and R are typically used for data science, right? You got Python and R. They're two kind of similar use cases. I've not done R before. That's one language I just never need because I had Python. If you have Python, do you really need R? Not really. Tiny Rick Laker 85, thank you for subscribing. It's Tiny Rick, you guys. Who I was calling Tiny Crackler. Sorry about that. Tiny Rick. Designer Grapher, can you send me some favor? Do some favor market for me? Stanley, just mention it in the Discord and we can see what's going. Age doesn't matter. I've seen 7-year-old making apps. Yep, you got it, Crow Engineer. You got it. Age does not matter anymore. We've got generative coding. So print, I want to print this guy. I want to print it print, mult, there we go. Multed QQ, which is not going to do anything yet. However, I do want to add we already added the matrix. 1, 2, let's do it. So let's do 1, 2, comma. We'll do, what is this also? We'll do 3, 4. Perfect. Okay. And then we will multiply this matrix. I think that will be pretty neat. Can we do it? I think we can. We should be able to. I don't see any reason why we couldn't. 68 patents is like a lot of patent lawyer fees. You're right, Jay Looney. It was expensive. It wasn't for free. We had to pay money for that. It was expensive. How did you learn it? Well, Python, or you just use it, build apps with it, build servers, build backend, write algorithms, use it for data science, use it for a project, deploy it, make an API, run it in a container. Just keep going. Don't stop. You just keep going. Seriously, there are like 13-year-olds using Kotlin that can't remember how. It's freaking genius. Yeah, tiny Rick, you're right. So there's no reason why anyone can't build their own app today. You're right. There's no reason why. How much you made from apps? Lots. Let's say lots. I'm good, you guys. I'm good. First, Dr. Dread, how's it going? I don't know anything about programming. However, I've been hearing a lot of talk among my friends about AI. What are your thoughts on AI about programming and potential future of it? It is the future. Today, check this out. Even senior software engineers are using AI to write the code for them now. Isn't that amazing? 2026, it is an expected knowledge set. Guess what? That means that everyone is now a software engineer. For the most part, though, guess what? There are some considerations that the AIs are going to get better over time that you do need to pay attention to on the output from a production and safety security perspective. So be careful. Be careful. Visual Basic 6 was king. I remember VB6. I remember dim, right? You got the dim for the right, dim var name equals 1, right? Hey, there's some Virtual Basic 6 right there. That's seek Q. I remember that. Do you remember that? The dim? Whoa, things are happening. Can you scroll a little bit down? Wait, scroll down where? Oh, where to? Where to? Where you want to scroll to? Right here. All right, so apparently you can do double definitions. I didn't know you could do that. I was pretty sure def 1, right? Pass def 1. Can we do it again? I guess so. Yep, I guess so. I guess it works. Isn't that weird? Python lets you double define. Holy moly, you type fast. Hey, first red. Yeah, we've been doing this for decades now. 20 to go. Really? Wait. Let's check. 20 to go. Here, is it going to pop up? Hey, we got to wait 20. Wait, that's like with 16 more. We're so close to 10,000. 16 away, you guys. This is amazing. Just 16 away. Just 16. All right, 20 to go. Up part. All right, so let's see here. Oh, did it pop up and down there for a second? It dropped. Okay, now 17. I love that. That's my favorite thing when that happens. It's like, hey, let's see. Oh, wait, no, 17. Hey, no, it's 17 again. Hey, there we go. Now it's 15. There, now 14. Oh, whoa. Hey, wait a second. Hey, now it's really ticking up. All right, 13 to go. We're like a few away now. Wait for it. I know, right? Wait for it. We're so close. Hey, whoa, 12. If I want to start data structures and algorithms, I should start. Yeah, make it happen. All right, 11. Whoa, 12 incoming. I know, we're making our way. You're 30 years old and you were stuck in your career and bit the bullet and finally pursue my passion in programming. Good job, you did it. You use Visual Studio Code, and that's the bin user friendly. Any recommendations? 10 to go. We're only 10 away. Recommendations on ways to test yourself. Yeah, build an app. That's always going to be my go-to. Build an app and deploy it so and get users. That will be a way. Let's go. I know we're play a song for the celebration. What should we play? I don't know what to play. Let's see. An exciting song. Chill, electric, bright, happy. Yeah, I don't know what it could be. Let's see. I've got an idea. Copy, tab, paste. All right. So yeah, we'll pull this up here. I hope you all have a lovely day. Congrats on 10K subscribers. Thank you, First Dread. Dr. Dread, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Hey, you're only 8 to go. Whoa, what's happening? Hey, 7. All right. I'm pretty sure it's going to take us a little while to get, but it didn't. We didn't, you guys. It's because of you. It's because of you guys. Loco Playas, thank you, 27. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing and joining in. We're a few more away. Only 7 more to go, you guys. It's just 7 more to go. How do we do? Oh, just kidding. 8 now. I love it when it does that. It's like, nope, no, it's dropped. No, just kidding. Just kidding. I know, right? I love that. It's not accurate, I guess. I think it's pretty. I know it's right. It's tough to say. Congratulations, Mr. Steven. Thank you there, Automaga. Thank you, Automaga. Appreciate it. Hello, bro. Hey, Unknown Gamer. Good to see you. All right, 7 to go. I'm trying to find what is a good like celebration song. Let's see here. Chill, bright, eclectic, functory, dance. Let's see, exciting, instrumental, mood. Here we go. Bright, chill, energetic. Where's like energetic? Hey, James. Chester. Whoa, 5 to go, you guys. Only 5 away. No, it's really. Uplifting. Here we go. Let's do that. Uplifting, funky, dramatic, bright. Okay, here we go. Apply. Oh, no, just kidding. 6. Now it's down to 6. All right. We'll try. Let's see here. This one looks pretty good. Wait. Nope, not that one. That one's pretty good. Maybe that one. I don't know. Okay, that one's good. All right, we'll do that one. All right, once we hit 10,000, we'll play that song, whatever that is. We'll play that one, whichever song that is. All right, let's jump back over here. Thank you guys so much. Try testing accuracy. We could do it. Off you, how's it going? No. Should I make an app directly? Yes, absolutely. Make an app directly. You're on the right track now. You're on the right track. On scale of 1 to 100, how many Arduinos do you have? Well, my company and my employees collectively, probably around 50 or 20 to 50. Myself, maybe one. Python and database. Which database is the best for Python? Start with SQLite. SQLite is great. SQLite. Only 3 to go, you guys. SQLite. Oh, 2. Woo. It's going to... Oh, wait, just kidding. Back to 3 again. You're just kidding. I love Come Down, the theme song. We have to make sure to pay attention to copyright stuff. So it can only be certain songs. Whoa, we're only 1 away. Look at that. We're right there. Press the party song. All right, we did it. We did it, everyone. Hey, look. Oh, wait, just kidding. Wouldn't it be funny if it dropped back down to 999,000? I love that. Isn't that great? That's funny. That's great. Hey, you guys, we did it. That's fantastic. It was 99. I know, like it drops up and down again. We did it. Hey, oh wait, it might drop down below 10,000 again. All right, there we go. 10K. I know. We did it. Far less than a few. We did it. Congrats, unknown gamer. Congratulations, or not? I know, right? That sounds like a love come down, isn't it? It's pretty close. Congrats. Thank you, you guys. Appreciate it. We're hanging. We are. We did it. Are those Twitch? No, this is YouTube. We are here for YouTube, you guys. This is YouTube. We did it. We did it on YouTube. Congratulations. Thank you. I'm safeguarding it. All right. Thank you, SCK. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Seriously, someone is pranking here. I know, right? Are they? It's like almost on its way down, right? Like, will it drop now? Max Verstappen song. That is it. Hey, seems like we're still stable now. Wait, so how many on Twitch? Not that many. Maybe like 2? I don't know. But we're here for YouTube because I only started Twitch like a month ago or so. And so with YouTube, I've been on YouTube for a lot longer. A lot longer on YouTube, you guys. Wait. Keep that going. What about this song? Nope, not that one. That's pretty epic. What about Sugar Zone? Yeah, we're gonna do that. Hey, we did it! This is so cool. Dude, Max Verstappen. All right, what is that? All right, what is that called? How do you say that? Max Verstappen. If it's a copyright song, I can't do it. Oh, that's a person. It's a person. Are you saying that that's what it looked like? I don't know about that. He's a race car. It's a race car driver, you guys. We did it. We got 10,000. 295 song, optional. How's it going there, you guys? So happy to have you here. We did it. Austin Power 70 style tune. And yep, you got it. F1 driver. Yeah, I've driven a Formula 1 car before. I've done it. The song goes da 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 Max Verstappen. Does it? Hey, we're there. We made it. This is great. All right. So happy, you guys. What a good Friday, right? What a good Friday. Optional in Java. We could do optional in Java. Nice. Yeah, farthest in view, we did it. Thank you very much for your answers. Happy coding. Henlo, appreciate it. Like your videos. Thank you. Having fun, YouTube. Thank you. James Chester, thank you. Appreciate it, you guys. I wish this will go on for a new social. It might. Benro, thank you, you guys. I like it when it's always funny when it drops down. It's like, is it going to stay above 10,000? Is it going to drop? Are we going to lose everyone? It's like someone's like nightmare almost. Hooray, we did it. 007 James Bond, you guys, can wallet mining be a thing? It is, Jason Easter. It is a thing, and it is a nefarious thing. It's nefarious. You could do it as a malicious activity. We did it. Congratulations, you guys. I think that's pretty exciting for a Friday. On this note, bro, give us cracked version of PayPal. Right, we could. So you're also racer driver? I've driven. a race car before. It was a very fast. You know what? I will show you. I have it around here somewhere. Let me pull it up. I'll show you guys. Hold on. I'll show you. All right, 1 second. Steven LB Instagram. It's on my Instagram. Here we go. Let me scroll down to it real quick. 1 second. It will be around here somewhere. It might take a while. It might take a little while. I don't know if we'll get there. All right. Here, I'll show you what I'm doing here. I probably have the photo somewhere. I probably have this photo around here somewhere. So here we go. Instagram somewhere. All right, let's see. We'll make it. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe. Let's see. We're gonna scroll quite a way. All right, this is gonna take like maybe a few minutes. It might take a few minutes. We'll get there though, you guys. Hey, DB, thank you for subscribing. Welcome in. It's the software. Oh, we're getting there. I recognize these videos now from the early days. DB, thank you for subscribing, and everyone else, thank you for subscribing. Hey, oh wait, are we there? Did we get it? It's around here somewhere. Where are we at? Did it? Here it is, right here. All right, I'll zoom in. There we go. Hey, right there. Look who's standing right there in the middle. Right there. I know it could have just been me inside of a suit or something, right? That could have just been me in a suit. However, I really did. I drove those cars right there. They staple you into the car, and they're like, in the situation where the car catches on fire, you want to press this button and this button at the same time. When the car catches on fire. It's like, the car's going to catch on fire? They say it probably won't, but it might, because it's a Formula Racer car. All right? It might. Yeah, so there's me right there. That was me. I really did racer. I was really a racer. Thank you guys for subscribing. Appreciate it. Great to have you here. We did it. Wow, I know, right? That was a promo for the PubNub for use F1 signaling. We're deep, right? Exactly. You know what's up. Okay. Let's lower the music just a smidge. All right. Hey, we did it. We got to 10,000. Thank you guys. Let us go over to here. Let me close that real quick. Okay. Now that we're there, now that we did it, now we can get back to coding. Now we can resume business as usual. Awesome, bro. Thank you. Bro is a programmer, hacker, and a racer. I know, right? We did all the things. How old are you? I am in my 40s. We are old here. We are old. Press eject. Whoops! Segmentation fault. I know, far less than a few, right? Exactly. So, you look mad young. Well, thank you. I've been eating vegetables, and that's a good way to maintain happiness and healthy, and a lot of energy too, right? Smile on his face at the time. You're actually the most positive person I've ever saw. Congrats for the 10K. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you so much, Krishna. Appreciate it. Will AI take engineering jobs? It already has a little bit, but you know what? AI is going to give engineering jobs a lot more. We're going to see so many more engineering jobs, you guys. We're going to see so many. Look out, DHA. Stephen Blum is in a DI house. Yep, you got it. We're in the house. He used to be an F1 racer. I raced the cars once for one day. It was great. Don't get me wrong. It was a lot of fun. And it was a manual too, right? It was manual. We had the clutch and you had to like, brr, brr, brr. It was so cool because I've driven manual transmission all my life. From my cars have always been manual transmission. And so driving a Formula One racer as a transmission, usually when you shift, right? You go shift first gear and you're like, second gear, and then third gear, third. But when you're in a Formula One racer, it goes first, second, third, fourth. And like, it's so fast. Like you can get them going so fast. It's great. Good skincare and hair on the pony. Yep, you got it. We got getting things on the point. You got it. So can Python help me create a wallet mining? You can, though it's not going to work. It's not going to work, far less than if you want to do something like that, because for security precautions, it is intended, the algorithm, before the sun burns out, you cannot do it. The sun will have to burn out, die, explode, do whatever. It's like 5 billion years, and you still won't crack the wallet. Because, sounds amazing, really, isn't it? I think it's cool. IoT hold the future jobs for the amount of people interested in or not. Internet of Things, absolutely. It's going to still be big. We're going to see a whole explosion. We already are of software engineering. It's happening right now, you guys. Any academic overreachers here? Sorry for not being relatable here, but any advice for studying boring subjects? Well, make a game out of it? I don't know. Quantum computers can crack things. Seek K. Now you're on the right track. They can factorize large numbers. I've tried it myself and it works. I did it. I've done it before. You can use a quantum annealer with D-Wave, right? You could use D-Wave. I did it with D-Wave. It's very tiny numbers, though. Very tiny. Small numbers. It works for small numbers. Bro, you have no power glasses. Bro, I have power glasses, 3 power of fair seeing problem. Yep. I don't have contacts or anything, you guys. You just got to eat healthy. Just eat healthy. No problem seeing. You're right. We're old and we don't need glasses. Bitcoin mining expensive? It is not that expensive. I think it is still worth it. It's scary, insane, way better than a rainbow bridge. Is it? I don't know about that. I don't know. All right, so let's get our matrix multiplication. I want to do this. I'm going to do this real quick. So where's our mat mult at? Well, here we go. I want to do this here. Let's do this here. All right, so I can see everything. Okay, so we're going to have a new array. We need to transpose, right? So for we'll do this x in, self.matrix. Self.matrix. We'll make it like this. And then we'll say for y in self dot. Oh, no. X. For y and x. Perfect. Okay. So we need to access the elements of the matrix of other in self. Self.matrix is going to be x and y. Right, this. Y, right? And then we need to also grab other. But other is inverted. Actually, is it self? Self is inverted. I suppose self is inverted. So it needs to do, you need to do it like this. However, because of, we need to transpose it. Since it's equal, this will only work because of the dimensions. This is the transposition. So then you say, I believe you multiply. And then you say, so we have a new matrix. So we'll say new QQ equals QQ. Like that. Let's see real quick. All right, sorry guys, missing the chat messages. I'm really excited to do the matrix multiplication on my own. First time I always use NumPy, so I think it's really cool. For row in matrix, for colon. Oh, row and colon. Yeah, we could do that as well. Row and col. All right, I like that. Row, col, and then you have to do col row. Col, and then row, like that. We got to 10,000. I just remembered it was really neat. I saw people using _nx. That looks hella confusing. _n, because you're enumerating, you're iterating, and you intend not to use. The underscore is meant to be a throwaway variable. Underscore is meant to be a throwaway variable. So that's what that's about. Bitcoin mining requires a lot of GPU and wears out, and you need to check as well as the electricity bill. Yeah, it's expensive, deductible, and profits, so you barely have any profit. It's a future mining thing. You know what? Unknown gamer bro, it might just be better just to straight up buy Bitcoin. Just buy Bitcoin and hold on to it. It's the same thing, basically. You need to enumerate. Hey, good news is, for this, because since it's already a list, we do not need to enumerate because it already has enumeratable available to us, right? We gotta do this, row. Perfect, okay. So that'll be that, and I need to say new QQ dot matrix and say row and then col equals this. Okay, perfect. Let's do backslash so we can read it. So we can read it better. Okay, now we can read it. Perfect. Log back into PubNub account. Did you? It's been a while. Just realized I also used from some Gong style app. You did develop in 2019. That's a good time to do it. You love the UI? It's been great, isn't it? Data science and algorithms are hard problems, it seems. They are light. They're pretty hard. There's some challenging things in there. Programmers talking pro. Gotta love it. Tiny Rick. Gotta love it. That's nothing. 15 amps is nothing. It's just power to 2 to 3 GPUs. Is it Unknown Gamer? So then you could do it. Also, think about getting some solar panels. You could buy some solar panels for cheap off of the internet, like wherever, Amazon, and then plug that into your GPU and then mine when the sunshine is out, right? And then don't mine at nighttime. Only mine during the daytime. Now you're in profit zone, right? Is this Python? Yes, it is, Marco. It's Python. What are we building? We're doing matmult. Obviously, you do matmult for, what is it called? Feed-forward neural networks. Yep, you got it. Feed-forward neural networks. That's what we're building. Yeah, Can you think need to use enumerate to access the index? Otherwise, you're using the values of the list access. Is it? Oh, wait. So is it? Or, oh, wait. Are you sure? Wait, we should double check. Print row. I think you might be right. Or this is not the index? It's not the index? Are you sure? Are you sure that's not the index? So let's see. Print col. I'll do it. Print col. All right. Let's see here. Col. We'll find out. We'll find out. Okay. Magic. All right. Var name dim. All right. Yeah, because that's not Visual Basic. Okay. So oh, 1 second. Whoops. All right, let's rerun that. Okay. At col row. Okay. You might be right. List indices must be integers or slices, not lists. Okay. You were right. You were right. You were absolutely right. We got to use enumerate. Thank you. Thank you. You were right. You were right. That's why we did it. All right. So enumerate. All right. Enumerate for row val. I think right. So col val. Let's see. We'll do y. We'll do x. Perfect. Okay. So let's say let's do that now. Let's see what that looks like. See, for one in X. Let's see here. We'll figure this out. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. I just need to comment some things out really quick. Okay. So return new QQ. Okay. Looking good. Thank you for the enumeration tip. I forgot about that. My senior made device which separates light frequency in different colors. Ooh. Making even combine them into get many colors. I am astonished by their IoT knowledge. That sounds like a fun project. Nope, the value good stuff either way. Neural nets from scratch for the win. Yep, AGB, you got it. Hey, Moped Mike. Okay, I saw you're talking to Unknown Gamer. I know, but you said small scale, and if I don't have to pay the electricity on the circuit, that still would be profitable. The question is how soon and how much. It depends on the value of the cryptocurrency, right? He needs a job. He's given him a job. Just say in Tiny Rick. They got some jobs out there. Do you love doing this? I do. We're having fun. You got it. We're having fun. Ooh, Range Lin ARR. Ooh, I like that one. That's a good one. Range Lin Quantified Quantum. That's a good one. We could do that one better. That one's a little bit better. We'll do that one. Range. We do Lin. Right? Now we do that. Yeah. Perfect. Range Lin for row. All right. Let's see what that looks like. There we go. Okay. 1, 2. Looks good. Yep. I like that one better. We could have done the enum. We could have done enumerate. That's fine. We're making our way. We're making our way a little bit closer here. All right. So that would be for in self dot matrix. Actually, the same thing here. We got to do the same thing like this. Right. That. Okay. And then that would be for. We need to do it for this though. It will be row like that. Perfect. Perfect. For column. Perfect. Excellent. Excellent. Boom. Boom. All right. Look at, well, wait. Actually, is that correct? Hold on. It should be, we should see, oh, these are the indexes. Okay. These are the indexes. Perfect. That's fine. That's fine. So the value will be different. The value will be different. Just pipe this. The music came on and distracted me. And just pipe it down just a smidge. There we go. There we go. Just a smidge. Okay. Okay. Sometimes it's easy and fast. Sometimes it takes time. It's not stable mining. You know what? That's true. That's absolutely. Do you come daily? Yes. Light 5F. You're right. We do come daily on Monday through Friday. So you can watch daily then. Yeah, we watch daily. Love to have you here. Jesus loves you. Thank you, John. Appreciate it. Music, beautiful. Having fun. Yep. We're making our way. We're making our way with some pretty decent Creative Commons free music on YouTube, right? So I'm using this here so you can see the YouTube music player in the YouTube studio. And I have it selected license, duration, forever, right? And then price is free, $0. That's what we're doing. So that way we get to have some music going while we talk with you guys. GPU wear off easily and you need to liquid coolant and submerge them too. Yeah, you do got to maintain it. You do got to maintain the GPU. How do you end up being a tech streamer? I'm a software engineering and would love to do something like this someday. You just got to start. Just click on the camera, turn on the computer and go live. Make it happen. That's what I did. I'm like, hey, I'm going to go live today. And I just kept doing it every day. Every single day except for the weekend. Sometimes I did it a little bit on the weekend. All right, let's keep going, you guys. This is so cool. If you didn't notice, we made it to 10,000 subscribers. Hey, look at that. All right, we're making our way. That's great. We hit 10,000. I don't know if you guys saw it. We hit 10,000. It was really great. For those who are still here who didn't know, my name is Stephen Blum, the CTO at PubNub. We raised 134 million, Series E, 1 billion devices connected on my network, and 68 patent claims have been granted. Been in tech for decades. You need 50 subscribers to go live on YouTube. CK, that makes sense. So you just got to post some videos. Though. Yep. Now we do self.matrix row. You got it. You know it. We're right here. Okay. So Here we go. All right. Perfect. So self matrix row and call. Now this will work perfectly fine. I think now we're good. Yes, we are. Look at that. It's working. So I want to print matrix. I want to print the matrix. Let's do, I'll just say print matrix. So where is it? I want to do multiplied matrix, print, and we say matrix like that. So the values should be, I don't know. I don't know what it would look like. Let's find out. Boom. Hey, there it goes. Look at that right there. We did some matrix multiplications, you guys. Underscore MUL underscore. You got it right here. Well, actually, that will be multiplication. This is matmult. This is one step closer, the matmult. Yep. We could do the other one too. We could do that. And do repr. We did repr for the matrix. We could do that. Yep, you're right. We should do that. Okay, repr. Where is that? Okay. Repr, and we'll do also, we'll do self.matrix. Here we go. Perfect. Now we don't need to say matrix anymore. We just say boom like that, and then it will say quantified quantum, and then the matrix value. Isn't that neat right there? You can see it right there. We did it. I'm so happy, you guys. Today is a good day. Today is a great day. We got 10,000 subscribers. We got the matrix multiplication done, and we made it. Okay, so let's see here. We should do one more thing today, and then we'll wrap up with RUX 10,000 memes. And what we could do is, if RUX 10,000, if we don't have your new memes for today, we'll just use your old memes from yesterday. You love streaming and coding live on YouTube, or trying to promote your company, ain't own gamer bro? We're here for fun. You know what? I gotta tell you, some folks are saying, "Hey, what are you doing, Steven? You're CTO of a company. Why are you spending time on YouTube?" That's what they're saying. So just to let you know, you unknown gamer bro, just to let you know, I'm a Java Spring developer. You thinking of switching to artificial intelligence and machine learning? Is it a good decision? Yes, make your way there. Go for it. There's a Java framework that Google released called TensorFlow. If you're a Java developer, TensorFlow is your friend. You can also check out Keras. I think Keras has a Java counterpart. So you might want to try that. Thank you for the likes, you guys. Wait till they see the quack videos. I know, right? I was pretty careful about that. Only a few people saw that. Only a few people saw the quack video because it was a little bit crazy. Steven doing side quests on YouTube. You got it. Quantified quantum. We're doing it. We're doing that. You have a meme ready? Just ready? Waiting for the end of stream? Thank you. All right. RUX, that sounds great. So we need to do it. Hey, work hard now. Sounds good. Thank you so much, Steven. Thank you. On a scale of 1 to 100, how much do you trust to CDNs, content delivery networks, to not side channel? Well, it's the cost of the business. It's worth the price. Whatever side channeling they're doing, it's worth the cost because the benefit is phenomenal performance and a great end user experience. Use the CDN, guys. Use the CDN. It's worth it. It's absolutely worth it. Okay, so let's do, since we did Dunder methods. I think we did Dunder methods to the point of a pretty good amount of Dunder methods. We never used tasks, did we? So let's delete that. All right. So we're pretty clean here. We're looking good. We're looking good now. We're looking good. Okay. All right. I'm pretty happy with that. Do you offer training in beginner Python somewhere? That's what we're doing right now. Although it's not quite beginner because we went into the Dunder methods. We have a bunch of streams where we did previously go over literals, variables, flow control, bypass indentation, loops, type annotations and strings, array slicing, dictionaries, quargs, and now we're on to Dunder methods right here. Now we're on to Dunder methods, you guys. Python is easy for beginner friendly. Yep, you got it. But we don't want new developers to start easy. We want them to learn C and text editor and terminal, right? Unknown gamer, that's the hard way. If you want to do it the hard way, you can. Awesome. Thank you, work hard now. Appreciate it. All right, so we did Dunder methods. We could do some classes. I think classes is easy. We could do some classes real quick. And then we will wrap up for the day, and then we will say, Dunder methods done. Dunder methods done. We did it, you guys. All right, so let's close that. Actually, before we do, what I would like to do is I want the get item. Let's do get item index. I want to return self.matrix, and then we'll return the index of the index. There we go. Perfect. Like that. I think that will be neat. And then I think what you can do is you can say 1 like that, and that will do the get item. Will it? Will it? Will it? It does. It works right there. There's a little bonus trick for you if you ever wanted on your class to be able to use the brackets for accessing data inside your class. There you go. You want to use the get item feature, the get item. And I just pulled that out of my head. I'm like, I'm sure this might work. If it didn't work, I would have been like, oh, I guess it didn't work. But it did. It worked. Thank you for the hearts and the reactions, you guys. Appreciate it. Hey, I'm new to coding, and I begin to doubt if I can make it through already. Mohammed, it takes a lot of effort, and it is hard, and it is worth it. Keep going. I'm only telling you that from experience. So if you want, it could be whatever. Hey, Quantified Conan, I saw you deleted a message there. However, I've got special undelete powers. I have a special undelete power, so I saw it. You said, oh, Steven, have you tried the hex editor? I have. I've tried the hex editor. I am fine with Vim. I use the terminal editor, text editor that makes you happy. Thank you for the party poppers and reactions, you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. We did it. All right. I'm going to look at this number again. I want to see it really quick. Hey, to 10,000 subscribers. That's pretty cool. We did it, you guys. Isn't that great? That's so cool. All right, you don't like coding, and then you found work problem that could be solved with Python, and that's how you got hooked into software engineering? AGB, you're doing it the right way, right? Isn't it great? When did you start learning code? Decades ago, when I was 11. I'll just say when I was 11. Congrats, we did it. Work hard now, we did it. That reminded me how back in the early 90s, yep, you used hex editor to see where the virus infiltrated the exe or com file. Yep, there you go. That's the way to do it. I remember that. You could use hex reader, so you take the binary and then you read the hex values. You could do that. Don't quit, bro. Keep going. Keep going, right? Tiny Rick says. Also, we did it to hack licensed software. Yeah, you can do that to turn off the restriction. There you go. Savant, you know it. That's the way to do it. All right, I remember that. I like to code. You don't know if what I've been reading or my learning approach. Well, here's how it goes. It will click eventually. It's hard until it eventually clicks. 11 I did when I was 14. I know, right? 11? Yep, back I did. It started when I was 11. Yep, you got it. Double tap the video, you guys. Thank you. Come on, 75 watching and 50 likes, right? I know we're making our way though. I think we're doing good for 10,000 subscribers. We're making our way. We're making our way, you guys. Vivek, what'd you say? I have an app which has 100 to 200K lines of code. That's a lot of code. That is a lot of code, Vivek. Back in the day, you would manipulate the DLL. And yeah, you could hash bin files for keys. You could generate your own keys. Just followed you on GitHub. Whoa, thank you. Yeah, here we are. Here we are on GitHub right here. Let's see here. Right here we go. Pin that as well. So I got that over here. And yeah, I already have it pinned. Here we go. So yeah, here we go. Here is me on GitHub, you guys. Right here on GitHub. Been doing this for a long time. Look at how far back it goes. Right? This is when Git started. Well, this is when GitHub started. Though Git came out around this time. I know someone when they were 7. Wow. You started learning since 2024? That's 2 years. That's 2 years. That's more than everyone else on the planet. That's a lot more. That's a lot more. I started up Python 2 weeks ago. Hey, you got it. You got it. Just lock in. Lock yourself in. Hey, Vivek, how's it going? I have an app that 150 to 200 lines of code. Okay, so that's a good start. Now it's difficult to maintain. Understand. You have any solutions, please? You would have save a lot of time for me. Vivek, definitely give a shot to Gemini or Codex or those AIs. I think it's a good way to help. A good way to help you. A good way to help you there. Definitely look into the AIs because they'll help you. Don't ask them to do the work for you. Ask them to tell you how to do the work. Right? Then you'll be able to learn. Do you have content on going from software engineering towards business and leadership. I only have like 2 videos for that. I only have 2 videos, and if you can find them, they're there. They're still relevant today. I mean, to lakhs of code. What does that mean? I'm wondering if they're large enough to start sending those community guidelines in the PSA. I think we're getting there. Savant, I think we're getting there. I think you're right. Can someone help me out? Sure. In the Discord, join the Discord, which we've got the Discord over here. Join the Discord, and we'll see if we can get things set up for you. We'll see if we can get things set up for you. Okay. All right, let's get back into it. We got one more thing to do today, and then we will do the end of stream memes. 2 lakh H line of code. Code base is huge, difficult to maintain. Well, yes, definitely grab the AIs to help you and ask them how you can maintain it. YouTube has the best teachers. You got to find them, right? Tiny Rick, you got it. YouTube. It's all about YouTube, you guys. You're a diva, LNZ. Good to see you. Thank you. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. YouTube's got the best teachers. You know it. You know it. It does. They leave the link in the Discord. Sure, absolutely. Well, just for you, Mohammed, since you asked, we'll grab it for you there. Leave the link to the Discord. Here we go. We copy that. Copy the link. Copy. All right. We go over here. We say at MOHAMMAD. Okay, here we go. There's your link, Mohammed. Just for you. Just for you, Mohammed. The link there so you can join on and ask the questions that you're looking for. Bro, do you know just a couple of developers are handling backend of Telegram webpage app? And you count them on fingers. Yeah, you could do 2. 2. Unknown Gamer Bro, it's possible. It's possible. Just join Discord. Yay! All right, nice. Thank you for joining. Will Python interpreter be rewritten to Rust? Maybe someday. It's currently in C, so it's pretty fast. It's pretty fast as it is. Like, they won't get a big benefit other than some stability if they do. Thank you. Thank you. Python tools are now written in Rust. There's a lot. Rust is my favorite language. I love it. Okay, so let's close that. Git status, git add. All right, git commit. We're going to say finished Dunder methods. The magic weapons. We should probably talk about the, magic. Here we go. Magic wand, right? Oh, that's not going to work. Methods. Can we do sparkle? Sparkle. So wait, we can spell it right. Sparkle. Perfect. All right, sparkles will work. There we go. Dunder methods. The magic methods. All right, perfect. Push. Done. Boom. I think this Rust is better feature for most of all. It is. You got it. Rust is the one. Kubernetes or serverless? Have you tried both? Yes, I've done both. I would recommend for large teams, multiple teams, use Kubernetes. You can have a server workload cluster that has obviously all the apps for your server. Different teams are going to have different resource requirements. You can do something called bin packing. Allows you to utilize just the resources that you need on those servers, netting you the capability of scale, and you have to rent those servers, right? You rent the servers. Or if you buy them, doesn't matter. You have to amortize the cost. If you OPEX or CAPEX them, it doesn't matter. You want to use as much of the server that you purchased, right? So Kubernetes will do that. Serverless is good if you're one team or one person, right? If you're a small team. Okay, let's get back into it. All right, vi readme. Okay, so we'll do classes next. We'll do some classes. We'll do some classes and then we'll wrap up for the day. Vi classes.py. All right, so you can say class. Oh, let's see. Who is it? All right, Tiny Rick. Here's a class. You have to say def. You always want to do dunder init for the class itself, and then you say pass. You don't need it. You don't need it, but you want it. You want to do it there because you might want to put something in. So like name self.name equals say Tiny Rick, like that. Done. Good to go. And then you can also have a class here. So we'll do another class. We'll say seqk, right? And then you'll say object. You can inherit from a object, which doesn't do anything special. Initialize. Then we'll say self.name equals seqk. There we go. And then we have, of course, we got class. We could do, how about this? How about this? We'll say class RG, and then we'll say, we'll copy and paste this, and we'll say self.name equals Sivan. There we go. Nice. All right, so now we've got 3 classes, right? 3 classes. You can instantiate those classes by saying rg equals rg. And we say tiny equals tiny, right? This is the instantiation, so you're creating essentially an instance of it, right? You can have as many instances of the class that you want. Now we're getting into object-oriented programming. That's what we're doing right now. Hey, 6 Index. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. Welcome on in. Will we boost to our kids that we have... oh, sorry. I was looking at my my trackpad sometimes fails here. What'd you say? We will boast. Yeah, we'll boast to our kids that we have to memorize syntax and functions. Meanwhile, they just needed data to be uploaded. You got it. We're so weird. That's the future. It's going to be crazy. Here, check this out. This is neat. If you were choose to be alive at any point in human history, right now is kind of pretty interesting because we're approaching the singularity, the point where technology and artificial intelligence exceeds the capabilities of humanity, right? Super intelligence. Humanity will not be able to compete with the super intelligence, and it goes beyond the horizon of our ability to see in the future with how powerful it could become. So right now it's pretty neat. Steven, do you game if you, what's your game to play? I like Silk Song. I've been playing Silk Song. Minecraft. I like Minecraft. I play a lot of Minecraft. I play so much Minecraft that there's burn in on my TV where the hearts are, where with the inventory bar. There's burning on my TV. That's how much Minecraft I've played. Yeah, I know. We'll boast to our kids. We will. It's going to be crazy. Sorry for missing your message. And the super. All right, we got to do the super. If you're driving from a parent class, you probably want to run the super. Yeah, self.super. Thank you. Do self.super. Right? Wait, that's not right. That's not right. Super self. Do we do that? Is that how we do it? I forgot. Do we super self like that? Just checking. Thank you, Savant, for mentioning. You're famous. Next up, Hollywood. Exactly. You got it. Oh, thank you for the class. Hey, yes, thank you. You're welcome for the class. You're welcome. For the virtual environment, can I just one and it works on multiple projects? Yes, you absolutely could. You absolutely could. That's what I do, actually. That's what I do. Thank you, Savon. Still have issues stopping the process. It seems to be backed. All right. My name is being used in computer science. You're honored. Yep, Tiny Rick. You got it. Right here at the top. Tiny Rick. Tiny Rick right here. Boom. Tiny Rick. Tiny Rick, you guys. Isn't he on Vim? Yep, we're doing Vim. This is Vim, you guys. See, paying. Yep. 2 Hawks paying H. Yep, happening. Stuff's happening. All right, one check. Do you do multiple inheritance? Yeah, we're going to try it. We're going to do. That's the whole point of object-oriented programming. So let's say Savon equals RG. Oh, wait, we already did RG. We're going to say Savon equals RG. I like that better. Tiny, and then SEQ, okay. SEQ equals S, capital SEQ. Perfect. So then you just say Python. What was it called? Classes? All right, here we go. And then, okay, so that, it didn't like super self. Oh, was it because of this? No, super self. Here we go. We'll figure that out. All right. I forgot how to use super because I don't ever do multi-line inheritance. Typo on line 5. Yep, found it. I found it. How to use super in Python. Okay. What do we do that? What do we do? Yeah, I just did a quick little look over here. How do we do super in Python? Python 3. Yep, Python 3. Super. Oh, like that. Okay. That's weird. That's not helpful. Super is going to reference the parent class. Got it. Super references the parent class. Okay. So you say super dot underscore init. Like that. There we go. Like that. Now it'll work. Nope, just kidding. Wait, did we do it? Name. Oh, wait. Oh, self. Okay. Got it. Since we don't need to do that. Perfect. Okay. There we go. Boom. All right. We're figuring things out. So super will reference the parent class if you do inheritance. However, for the most part, right? So for example, seek_k has an object. So this will super the init on the object class. That's what that will do. Super the init on the object class, right? But if you want to super from a particular parent, you use it. Oh yeah, that could also work, right? That makes sense too. So if you want to do inherit, so like say for example, we do seq here. QK, right? So this will, Savon will inherit from SEQ, and Tiny Rick will inherit from Savon, RG. So let's put this here. So now you've got like this chain of inheritance, right? So I'm actually kind of curious. So let's do a def. Let's do some Dunder methods. Repr. What did I want? Oh, self, right? Self. Which we don't need. Which we don't need real. Yeah, we're getting right. We're getting it right. Super child class self method name. Oh, right. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Right. But if you want a super from a particular parent, you use it. Got it. Got it. Okay. Thank you. That's really useful. That is. So you can say which parent of the method you want to access. That's great. That's great. What about child appending the object? What about child appending to the object? You have to give me more information. Give me more information. Can I do a complex number? Sure, for our lesson, if you absolutely could. You can do a complex number. Make it as complex as you want. What to prepare for singularity? Sit back in a comfy, cozy recliner and watch the fireworks. That's what I'm thinking. Sit back and watch the fireworks. It's going to be amazing, I think. So let's get ready for that event. I think it'll be great. Hey, Mr. Hyposis. Hyphosis? Halfois? Or is it Haposis? Hey, thank you for subscribing. Happy Friday. Real and imaginary numbers, right? We can make our way. Thank you for subscribing there. I appreciate it. Can you promote me to a mod? Yes. All right, here you go. Mod here. 1 second. Add as moderator. There we go. Boom. You became a moderator. Unknown Gamer Bro is now a moderator. Hey, Vivek, yo. Good to have you back. Good to see you here. All right. Vim is in every system, if I'm not correct, so he's going familiar. Yep, you got it. Probably most of the time playing. It's been going on since 1991. Bro was like 11 then. Yeah, exactly. That's when we started software. Sanjeep, thank you for subscribing. Welcome in and happy Friday. We're wrapping up today with classical inheritance and object-oriented programming in Python. We're doing just some basics or a little bit more than basic in some cases. A little bit more than basic. Let's do a repr definition. So we say return self.name. That's what we want to do. That's what we should do. Actually, what we should do is an F string, I think. I always like to do F strings. Name colon. And we'll say like that. Boom. Repr. And we should do the same repr for each class. Although we only need to do repr once, right? So what's the base class? Seek is the base class? Yes, okay. So we should only need to do repr once, right? Right? Is that right? Is it going to work? It's not failing. It's not failing. All right, print Sivan. Print. We'll print the others as well. Tiny and sequence. Okay. So that should, if everything's correct, how you close Vim, you could either do you could either take Shift ZZ or :Q or :Q W exclamation, right? Or yeah, right quit. Yep. Yeah, exactly. If you don't write the quit. Yeah, exactly. Hinlo, you know it. You got it. What are we on right now? Hey, we are doing classical inheritance. And the sun shines in my face. We're doing classical inheritance in Python. We're doing classes. So if we look real quick here on our chart, let's see, WV. If we're looking on our chart of things, we're currently right here. Class and inheritance. Those are the things we're doing right now. Also make you a VOD. Okay, Vivek, we'll see. Since you're here on a regular basis, I think we can do it. Thank you. You're welcome. Moderator. There you go. Hey, Vivek, look what happened. Look what happened, Vivek. All right, so what else can we do with classes that are interesting? Well, actually, we didn't run it. Do you guys think it's going to work? My bad. 2 weeks strong. 2 weeks strong? That sounds good to me. Woo-wee, you did it. You got it, Vivek. Juan Lu. Just got home from a friend's place. Nice. Very nice. It's always a good feeling to get home. I love it. And then you get on your pajamas and you get cozy. Do you store your projects in the inf directory or can you store it anywhere else? So the inf directory is specifically for the Python libraries. You do not need to store your projects there. You do not need to store your projects there. You want to store your projects in your project directory and go from there. That's what you want to do. Is it going to work? Oh, I don't know. Okay, something broke there. Something broke. Unexpected indentation. Really? Where's that at? Really? What do you mean unexpected indentation? It looks perfectly fine to me. Did I do that wrong? Is there something wrong here? Let's try it again. Wait, indentation error on line 34. Oh, line 34. Ah, yeah, okay. No, I said what's going on there. I'm like, it should have worked perfectly fine. Why isn't it working? Well, because I had some weird stuff at the bottom of the screen. Hey, there it goes. See, all right, check this out. All right, so this is important. This is important here. All right, where are we at? That one? Yeah, here, perfect. Okay. So we defined this method here in the base class, SEQK, the base class. And then we also don't need any more to define that method, the repr. The repr is a Dunder method, which we learned in the previous section, that is able to essentially convert whatever your class is into something printable. And that's what we're doing. You could also use __ string, although that is going to be reserved for the str coercion, right? So if you're doing coercion or typecasting, right? So you want to use repr for printing. So we only defined it once. So as you can see here, it's only defined once. It's not defined in our second class, in Savant's class, and it's not defined in Tiny Rick's class. So there you go. Ooh, def append child. Okay, let's do it. Child value. What does that do? What does that do? I think you're just creating a name now. So let's see. Def append child. We could do that. We'll write it. Self, comma, and then child. All right. So what are we appending here? What are we appending? I guess we could say self.child equals child. Or children. We could say children. Self children equals an array. We can do it like this. Self.children dot append. We could do that. I'm making it up. I don't know if that's what you were going for, SAQ3000. I'm just auto-completing what you said. UV puts VINF in the project dirt. Ah, got it. So you could do it. It's just I've never really ever done it, and I've been perfectly fine without having to do it. Oh, and Vim. Yeah, Tiny Rick, you got the Vim there. Getting cozy for me includes peach iced tea, the best iced tea flavor in your opinion. Wanlu, fantastic. Got to get those peach iced teas in there. That's great. I'm actually also excited because I know we're wrapping up here. So this is the last part of our Python segment for this week. We're going to go on to end the stream with the memes. We're going to do the memes, the ending stream memes, you guys, that RUX put up in our Discord channel. I'm also excited because after stream, I get to do some pretty good data science stuff. Return self child. We could do that. All right. So where do this? So I say return self dot children. I could say return self children. Ah, to make it a little bit nicer. I see you there. Child. Oh, wait. Child. Oh, I see what you're doing there. Okay. I see what you're doing there. Okay. We could do that. Append child. So you're saying child equals child, basically. Basically straight up child right there. Like that. Just like that, you guys. And then return the child. All right. So this will give you access to essentially give an HAZA. So you can add another element or another class into your existing class. Self.nameF. Yep, we got it. We did right here. You got it. You got it. Unknown gamer right here. Name self name. Wow, you typed that perfectly. Yes, hello. I'm showing you the loop. The loop. Yep. Thank you. I love how I'm not confused anymore watching this. Hey, Tiny Rick. Nice. That's great. Then you root and node. You could go. We could keep going. You can keep going. There's so much. SAQ. Thank you. Or sorry, SEQ. I got to say SEQ there. Seek K. Thank you for contributing. This was great. This was a lot of fun. All right, git status. Where are we at here? Git add, git commit, am added classes.py for a great Friday, and we hit 10K subscribers. And then we do some more party poppers there. We hit 10K subscribers. Isn't that great? We should do another party popper. I think that we need a third party popper for that one. Push. It is now in the Git history. Hey, Jon Snow, bro. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Can I be an admin? Yep. All right. You're becoming a moderator. You're making a moderator. Sec is the pronunciation, but I don't mind. All right, Sec. We got you, Sec. You are, so I remember now. You are Sec. S-E-K. S-E-K there. SEK, you guys. SEK, thank you so much for joining today, you guys. Congrats on the 10K. I know we did it. We did it, you guys. Look, 10,000. That happened during the stream today. That happened right there, right where we were hanging out with you guys. 10K. It happened. We made it. Now we've got the next goal, right? You got the next goal. Like maybe hit the next one. Everybody help that needs. Yep. Thank you, Tiny Rick. I'm serious though. You got it. 10K. Let's go. Wan Lu. We got it. We got it. All right. So we wrapped up the Python basics for today. 1 second. Hold on a second. 1 second, you guys. Let me click a thing here. Oh. Hello. Okay, cool. Let me wrap up and do you want to join on a Zoom? Okay, sounds good. All right. Thank you. Bye. All right, you guys. We got to wrap up. I got a phone call. Got to go take care of business. All right, so we'll go through a few memes and then we'll wrap up here. And then we're done for the week. Whoa, look at all you guys joining on there. Okay, so where's our memes at? Okay, so here's our memes. We didn't finish up, so we'll do this. Let's see where we're at here. Let's see. All right, I think it's it. All right, you guys ready? The last of the day. Here we go. The memes. I know we're doing the memes. Here we go. Never been afraid to make a mistake unless it's in Git. Then be afraid. Be very afraid, right? Actually, it's kind of like the opposite. You want version control, right? Version control. It's supposed to make you feel confident because you can make mistakes and undo them. However, if you make a mistake, blast of a stream. Thank you, Savon. Appreciate it. Posted a screen of my wallpaper in the other day in general Discord. Nice, Wan Lu. Also, your Wi-Fi is being slow. Oh no, that's terrible. All right, so .git ignore. Can you do that? Will that work? Can you put .git ignore in your ignore file? I don't know if you could do that. Me realizing I have to implement complex feature from scratch. We did this one the other. Writes the code in a day. The code works perfectly first try. And then the code covers edge cases that you didn't even know existed. I like this one. It's a good one, Bernie Sanders. When you switch to C from Python. Yep, thanks guys. It's been great to see you. So long, partner. Pointers, pluses, semicolons, braces, those sorts of things. Syntax errors, Java, C++, Python, just watching everything happen. Yep. You get syntax errors in Python too. You can't deny that. He could be asleep for 2 days because he missed her. Period. I couldn't sleep for 4 days because I missed a semicolon in my code. Have you done that before? Have you done that? Always happens. That was it. All right, we did it. We got through all these. We did all the memes. It was great to guys have you here. Thank you for 10,000 subscribers. I do got to get going. Thank you so much. It's been great. We'll be back on Monday. Guys. Have a great rest of your weekend. The new ones. Are there new ones? I didn't see them. Oh, here they are. Oh, I see them. I have to get going. All right, we'll do one more. And then I have to go. We'll have to save the other ones, RUX, for next time, okay? So why are you here? I use Excel as a database. Stay away from me. I know Excel is a database. What are you doing? Okay, that was great. Thank you, guys. It was so great. RUX 10,000. We'll be ready for next stream. Hey, Seek, thank you for the 10, for the 2 tools. Appreciate it. We got to get going, guys. Had so much fun talking to you. We'll be back on Monday. Have a good one. Thank you for 10,000. See you guys. Bye-bye.